We'll start exercise 10D. We want to solve in part A tan x equal minus 2, then x equal tan inverse minus 2, then we will get x equal minus 63.4. So to get this one, shift tan minus 2 minus 63.4 you will get from the calculator. Now let's get the magnitude. 63.4 and so this answer is negative. Tan negative in which quadrant? Tan negative in third quadrant and first quadrant. So one answer is sorry, I think tan negative in not those, tan positive in those two quadrants, tan negative in second quadrant and fourth quadrant. So this is the first one. You can see if you measure this sign, minus 63.4, and if you measure positively, so this is the other one, x equal 180 minus 63.4, which is 116.6. If you need a positive answer for this one, so you can, instead of measuring the clockwise, go anti-clockwise. So this is mean 360 minus 63.4, 296.6. It is totally depend on the range. So in part B, they requesting the range 0 greater than x greater than 360. Then I can't take this one. Then the first we have to measure positively everything. So first answer is x is 116.6 and the other answer is 296.6. From the graph, this is tan graph, you can see minus 2 line. This is positive, this is negative. This is minus 2 line, this is 0, and you can see that this minus 2 line, when you draw, so this is the one you will get from the calculator, minus 63.4. Then we need a positive answer. We will add 306. When you add 360 to this one, you will get the 296 answer here. And if you don't consider this one, okay, this is the first 63 point, then this is 116.6, and then you want to add 360s and go forward. So when you add this to 360, you will get 296.6. If you add 360 to here, it will go more than 360. So we have only two values, 116 and 296.6. What will happen if the range is minus 180 to plus 180? Then you have to take this answer and then this answer. This minus 1 and this one. Then it's done. Question number 2, part A. Cos x equals 0.4. X equal cos inverse 0.4. X value is 66.4. this is part A. Part B, cos x equal plus or minus 0.4. So there are two equations. Cos x equals 0.4. Another one is cos x equal minus 0.4. Cos is positive on first quadrant and fourth quadrant, and cos is negative on this one and this one, second and third quadrant. So this angle is 66.4, 66.4, 66.4, 66.4. So I don't need to write this because I know that now. For this one, this is one angle, x equals 66.4. Other one is this one, x equal 360 minus 66.4, which is 293.6. So this is the answer for those two. And this one, one angle is x is 180 minus 66.4, which is 113.6. Other one is this one, 180 plus 66.4, that is 246.4. The range we need 0 greater than x greater than 360 is, yes, they all within the, okay, this is 66.4, 293. If you add 360, it is out of range, so only those two. We'll consider these two now. If you add 360 to find another one, it is 400 something out of range. If you add to this one, 360 out of range. So only 4 answers. Question number 3. So we have to solve the equations. The range is theta 360. It can't be equal to 0. So A is sin theta is minus 1. Theta equal sin inverse minus 1. So which angle give theta is minus 1? 90 is give positive 1. So the calculate answer is minus 45, but it is out of range. We'll work out now. 45 is this one, minus 45. Actually, we can get the magnitude value, that is the right principle. So this is 45, so we'll forget about that one, that's 45. Right. So in which quadrant sign is negative? This one and this one, sign is negative. It means actually we don't need those two answers. We have to start from here. One answer is this one, that is 180 plus 45, theta equal. The other answer is this one, theta equal 360 minus 45. I think I work out with the tan. Actually this angle has to be 90, not when you type sine minus 1, sorry, shift sine minus 1 enter, you will get minus 90. So I have to rework this one. Theta equal minus 90. So now how the hypotenuse is overlap. Now this is the minus 90. Now we need the answer in between. So will come like this. This is going to be 270. So this is not in the range. So theta equal 270. This is the right answer. This is not in the range. The other one. Then again go one more round and this one. It means 270 plus 360. This is already out of range. So we don't need to consider. Answer is 270. Tan theta is square root 3. Now tan is positive. Tan is positive in first one and third one. So theta equal tan inverse square root 3. Can you remember this value? That is 60. So we'll write only now first quadrant and the third quadrant. We don't need to write others. Now one answer is 60. The second answer is 180 plus 60, 240. Cos theta is half. Cos positive, it means positive. Cos positive is first one and the fourth one. So theta equal cos inverse half, which is theta equal 60. So I'm writing here 60. I'm not writing here because I'm not going to use. The first one is 60 and the second one is this one. It means 300 minus 60 up to here 360 and come back, which is 60, 300. Question 3D. Before start, I like to discuss something. Assume that sine 45, sine theta equal sine 45. 1 over square root 2. Then we write theta equal sine inverse 1 over square root 2. What will happen? Sine theta equal 1 over square root 2 means sine 45. Instead of this answer is 45. Instead of giving this one, you make a sine 45. Then you can write theta equal sine inverse sine 45, which is 45 again. Both you take the sine inverse. Here you take sine inverse for a number. Here also you take sine in for a number because sine 45 is when you simplify what is the number? 1 over square root 2. The conclusion is if you see sine theta equals sine alpha, you can write theta equals sine inverse sine alpha. If we have cos theta equal cos alpha, it could be sine as well. Theta equal cos inverse cos alpha. Tan theta equal tan alpha. theta equal tan inverse tan so in this sum sin 30 equal sin 15. Still you can do the same thing. Sin inverse sin 15. So this answer is 15. Sin 15, when you find out from the calculator, it is a positive number. Sin 15 means the value of sin 15 is 0.258 approximately. It is a positive number. I'll discuss this sum again. Sin theta equals sin 15. So theta equals sin inverse sin 15, which is 15. When you look at sin 15, this value is positive. It means sin positive is on first quadrant and second quadrant. So this is 15 and this is 15. So one angle is theta equal 15, the other one is 180. Theta equal 180 minus 15, which is this one. 180 minus 15, 165. Next sum, cos theta equal minus cos 15, theta equal cos inverse minus cos 40. So you can do shift cos and bracket already on and type minus cos 40 bracket close. In your calculator you can see cos inverse, one more bracket, cos, this is also in the bracket, and then you have to close this bracket. So this is also in the bracket, this is also in the bracket. So this answer is 140. In this sum now you can see this is not acute angle. So I can't write like this now. So if it is acute, so that's what we did. Now what did we do? How did we do this one? What do we do? So this is, we'll mark this angle first. So it is in second quadrant, 140. If this is 140, this is what? 40. And now I found the small angle. Now this is 40. And now this is 40 and this is 40. Now one answer is done because cos has to be negative. You can see that cos 40 is a positive value. Positive multiplied by negative, negative. So cos negative in first quadrant, second quadrant and third quadrant. So then one answer is already there. The second answer is 180 plus 40, 220. This one tan theta is minus 1, theta equal tan inverse minus. Then theta is going to be minus 45. It is acute angle. So for tan negative in which quadrant? Tan negative in second one and fourth one. So I need this one and this one in fourth. I don't need right here. 45 and this one 45. So you can see that this is, if I look at like this, minus 45 you can see. If we measure with this direction, we'll measure positively. So one answer is this one, 180 minus 45, 135. Other answer is, we start from here, the second one. 360 minus 45, 315. Why minus 45 is not answer? It is also answer, but in this situation it's not acceptable. Why? Because it is out of range. Cos theta equals 0, theta equal cos inverse 0. Cos inverse 0 is 90. And it is overlap. Then the second one is going to be second one is going to be, from here you want to start 270. When you draw the cos graph, 90, 180, 270. The graph start from here and go back and come like this. This is 90, 180, this is 270. So you should have kind of graph knowledge as well. So when you start 90 plus 180 plus 180, like that. Initially, if we get this answer, acute angle, so you can go as normal. If it is obtuse or other angle, you can draw and see that, okay, this is obtuse, then you can find the acute. Find the acute. If you get 90, 180, 270, 360, so then you have a knowledge of graph as well, how the graph behave. Sin theta equal this one, h sin inverse minus 0.766. Theta equal, you will get minus 50 approximately. So it is acute angle, so you can draw, you grab the 50, and we know that sine is negative in which quadrant? Third and the fourth. So this is 50 and this is 50. So we need the answer. So you can see minus 50 if you measure like this, but we need a positive answer. 0. So we'll start from here. One is 180 plus 50, 230. The second one is 360 minus 50, which is 310. Now, are there any third one, fourth one, fifth one, sixth one exist? Yes, but they are out of 360 range. If you want to find at 360, if you want to go backward, take the 360s out. Question number 4. 7 sin theta equal 5. Then we have to make sin theta as a subject. Sin theta equal 5 over 7 by dividing. Then theta equal sin inverse 5 over 7. So this value is 45.6. Now when you look at this is positive. Sign positive in first quadrant and the second quadrant. So I am going only write here. So one answer is fine, already done, because it is within this range. And the second one, theta equal 180 minus 40.6. which is 134.4. 2 cos theta equal minus square root 2 cos theta equal minus square root 2 divided by 2. This is minus 1 over square root 2. Theta equal cos inverse minus square root 2, which is minus 45. This answer is out of range. It doesn't matter. We can get the actually I use my knowledge to get this one. If you look at from the computer, you get 135. So then we'll work out. So 135 in second quadrant. So this is 135. So 135 minus 180 minus 135. This is 45. Right. I found the acute angle now. This is 45, 45, 45. Now cos is negative in which quadrant? Second one and third one. So one answer is already there, 135. The second answer is 180 plus 45, that is 220. C is 3 cos theta equal minus 2. Cos theta equal minus 2 over 3 I cos theta equal cos inverse minus 2 over 3. So theta equal, you will get 131.8. We'll mark this one. It is obtuse angle. This one 131.8. So it is also answer. It is in this region. If this is 130 point, what is this angle? 180 minus 131.8. This is 48.2. Now we found the relevant acute angle, and now cos is negative in this one and this one. So this is 48.2. So the relevant angle of the other one is theta equal 180 plus 48.2, which is 228.2. The for sin theta equal minus 3. Sin theta equal minus 3 over 4. Theta equals sin inverse minus 3 over 4. This answer is minus 48.6. So this is a acute angle. This is 48.6, and sine is negative on this one and this one. So one answer minus 48.6 if you measure like this, but we have to measure positively because it is not in this range. So we'll start from here. So one answer is this one. Theta equal 180 plus 48.6. So 228.6. The other one is start from here and come up to here. That is theta equal 300 minus 48.6. That is 311.4. So tan theta equal 1 over 7. Theta equal tan inverse 1 over 7, which is 8.13. It's acute angle. Tan is positive on third one and first one. So this is 8.13 and this is 8.13. One answer is this one. Other answer is theta equal 180.8.13. So 188.13 1 3. Next one, 8 tan equal 15. Tan theta equal 15 over 8. Theta equal tan inverse 15 over 8. So this angle is going to be 61.9. Second one, tan positive on which quadrant? This one and this one. So this is 61.19, one answer done. The other one is up to here. It means theta 180 plus 61.9, 241.9. Now G3 tan theta equal minus 11. Tan theta equal minus 11 over 3. Theta equal tan inverse minus 11 over 3. This angle is going to be minus 7.4.7. This is acute. Tan is negative on this one and this. So I need 74.7. 74.7. The first one is theta 180, 74.7. The second one is this one. It means 360 minus 7.47. So this is the first one and this is the second one. This is 3 cos theta is square root 5. Cos theta is square root 5 over 3. Theta equal cos inverse square root 5 over 3. This is 41.8. We got the acute. Cos is positive on this one and this one. So then this is 41.8. We got one answer. The other answer is this one. Theta equal 360 minus 41.8. Question number 5a. I'll bring cos theta down, square root 8 down. So sin theta over cos theta equal 1 over square root 3. Tan theta equal 1 over square root 3. Tan theta equal tan inverse 1 over square root. Tan value is positive, so we need tan positive on third and the first. We need first one and the third one. Theta value is 30. One answer is this. The other answer is 180 plus 30, 210. B sin theta plus cos 30. So sin theta equal minus cos 30 and then divide by both side cos 30. So tan theta equal minus 1. Theta equal tan inverse minus 1. Answer is minus 45. Tan is negative here and fourth. So this is 45 and this is 45. We need in this range theta equal 1 is 180 minus 45, 135. The other one is part C cos theta down and 3 down here. Sin theta over cos theta equal 4 over 3. Tan theta equal 4 over 3. Theta equal tan inverse over 3. So this is 53.1 and this is positive. Tan positive in this one and this one. 53.1, 53.1. So this is theta equal and this is theta 180 plus 53.1, 233.1. 2 sin theta minus 3 cos theta equal 0. 2 sin theta equal 3 cos theta. I'll take to other side. Then tan theta sin theta over cos theta equal 3 over 2. Tan theta equal 1.5. Theta equal tan inverse 1.5. That is 56.3. So tan value is positive. Tan positive in first and third. So I'm not going to draw the other one. So first is 56.3. Already that is fine. And the third positive, this one, 180 plus 56.3. So 136.3. So this is 230. And this is going to be sin theta over cos theta equal 2 over cos multiply. And this is tan theta equal square root 2. Theta equal tan inverse square root 2. So this is 54.7 and tan is positive on first and third. So 54.7 and the third is 180 plus 54.7, 234.7. Square root 5 sin theta equal minus square root 2 cos theta. Then cross multiply tan theta equal minus square root over square root 5. Theta equal tan inverse 2 over 5 square root. This is same as 2 over 5, which is minus 32.3. So got the acute angle. This is 32.3 and tan negative 1 second and fourth. So the first one is first one is this one. Theta equal 180 minus 32.3. The other one is this one. This is one hypotenuse, this is the other hypotenuse. One is done, the other one, this one. 360 minus 32.3. This is not the answer because it is this is answer, but it is out of range. 327.7, this one. Those are the two angles.